Prime restoration and landscaping is the best. Andy did a wonderful job. He took a house that had been neglected for several years and in terrible shape. And he stepped in and had great ideas, and his attention to detail was wonderful. And it was all done in 2 months. It was a great experience. This was the perfect size in the perfect location, and it had good bones. It was 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, and it's a little under 1,200 square feet, and it's hard to find 2 baths at that size of house. And it just seemed the perfect one. The backyard was scary when I first saw it. So many trees that needed to be removed, and Andy and his crew came in and had it done in no time, and it looks like a park out there now. I've never done anything like this before, and Andy had helped me do a few other projects at my house, and I knew he would do a good job, and he stepped me through it, and it was a lot of fun. Lots of communication, lots of texts, lots of phone calls. I could drop by any time to see the house. He always had questions or answers to my questions, and I felt involved in every step. He has lots of great ideas. I discussed changing the front of the house, adding the cedar and the slats for a little bit of privacy, and he took my suggestion and ran with it. Everything needs to be replaced or upgraded. So there's new lights, new plumbing, new cabinets, new countertops, new roof, new gutters, new siding, new patio. New house, yeah. It went from an old neglected house to a new house. I would do this again with Andy, and I would give his number to anyone thinking about remodeling or updating their home.